na wode ne ho ayeden ahyem na nini na ejina enkrata a ababonten a etrese NPP MPs 4 a movie motion ewo parliament say yenye hwehwemu emfa ex-president and a former president John Evans Atta Mills ni wo awu ye no Atta Mills wu ye 10 years ni inti nkrata na da screen nim no private members motion or say that this honorable house constitutes a bipartisan committee to unravel the unending mystery surrounding the death of late President Mills, which sad event occurred on 24th July 2012.
Melodies TV on YouTube.
Now, MPP foi Omudin and the Bohoy, one Honorable Anodompre, were a majority chief whip, or also a MP for Insawim, Adredri. Honorable Habib Idrisu, were a second deputy majority whip, or a MP for Tolon. Honorable Davis Ansapoku, or a MP from Impraiso, and an Honorable Yves Ni Noi Hansen. Norte MP for Tema Central on the Miami Nipa ni noi answer no beba bedane MP ni aye kan bi because na nipa kra na wote so no ye bo modern ema ye se nipa kro no na ye man ni noi eba betena so but it's okay right now what they are saying and they say wo mu hu ne say 10 years ago senior Atta Mills owu ye no afianso mo atena se hu ne se daabi se ne asem ne te no emu orem enti no yenye nhwehwemu special nhwehwemu emfa saade we hu na there is a background to this whole story say Atta Mills ni wo no de amansem we aba abonten ejina kokko ani dohu ni na ejina NDC for na nsen unse embra Atta Mills wu ye no kokko ani dohu na meka say he was the only person and now say no jinemu Atta Mills. That's what I can say. He was the only person and I minim say no jinemu de dending Atta Mills. They tell America
TV on YouTube.
Now what person will continue the legacy. Emra Atta Mills wo no na kokko ani do and na wo ye or throw Atta Mills speeches na nyama mano. Inti no person will continue the legacy of Atta Mills. They be will complain say Mahama Atta Mills Memorial Institute, no, Mahama and her, and you say. It was always Kokko Anido who was championing the cause of Atta Mills' legacy, so that a chimba bar, when they say Ghana, Yebenya president be near a friend of Atta Mills, because he had a bond with the man, and it is okay. Now, I'm saying NDC4 make a very powerful move, political move. I'm going to set it up. A memorial institute Emma Atta Mills different from Kokko Anido die no na de NDC4 eye ne say wo mo fa empenyufo enkrofo a wo mo abobra enkrofo a ye ka abrabom in fact wo mo fa nipa ba ko ana ye ka international court na wo ye judge wo international court Ghana ni na wo ye judge wo international court ma mi bi wo abobra pa ye ka Ghana mba wo mo abobra na o ka ho bi wo mo san so kofa MPP ni embra na kufuo owo ho na nipakono eye MPP ni mapa say ono so Atta Mills medinti NDC for kofa different people are wo hwe academics are no mo abobra e na wo mo de omo ebe set up the Atta Mills Institute no NDC for de no enti na afen grofo ka say ye ende Kokko Anido hu de na to nsiom ende Mahama de ya baba bela nchi fufuro yi wa wonim Mahama unim edome di nechi obviously se Mahama ye bibi na Kokko Anido wu ye bibi a nkofo bebrebe di Mahama echi asen Kokko Anido wu enti ebe ma Kokko Anido wu bu befu ye e no sha se wo media to e na wo tre nkrofo nsemeni so na because Kokko Anido wu has beef with NDC ninti no what happened and they say yes obi e was social media ye friend no Mahama ba na Mahama ba yi yes wono de Mahama nsem kwa no oka. And I'm giving you the background, the context to the story, so you understand where this is coming from. Inti, yes, Mahama. A branch be a friend of Mahama ba. So ya branch you or ya baba wow, no one knows. I a friend of Mahama ba. It was social media, and I was shas here. Say odi Atta Mills wo no chiche Koko ani do hu kon wo pesa o tre say ane and the juju and that is the allegation and Koko ani do hu bufu ye and ka say and the sa dia yenye hwehwemu enfam Atta Mills ni wo ne ho yenye hwehwemu fa Atta Mills wo ne ho se mo de chiche me kon and mo pesa mo de chiche me kon dia yenye hwehwemu nti Koko ani do hu na share sa dia we ase and NPP MPs almost no, and it's quite funny as Mahama ekoye Atta Mills we no and afi MPP fonso yes or more better Koko ani do hu echi na ono so aye ono so ne de na say ne Mahama de ne debate enti I am not surprised say ende NPP MPs share sa de we ase ade a esi 10 years ago but you see the funny thing is that this is not the first time accusation on Atta Mills ni wo aba. In fact, there was a time no more and if the family of Atta Mills Babonten Beka say ye this year no way in the kuno autopsy trace way in the kuno way in the kun but esan say politics on mine ye di bibia ye politics inti nipa kwa ye nebusian for aba Babonten aba be trade ye kunu no ye mfi go online search for what killed Atta Mills nebusia nsem o mo ba Babonten be kan no wo mo kan say na ekunu we na ekunu but you see they've painted a picture and say papa ne enim de ekunu papa ne nye we nti wo na won make say na wo nim say Atta Mills no yare enye mo NPP fo ya na Atta Mills okwa abrochie mo bon na ewu to enye mo okwa abrochie mo bon na ewu to wo baaye ye be man ne jogi ye wo airport we all knew the man was sick he went outside for medical attention afei nipa kuni aye ni enim se wo yare wo be wu ye the politics nti mo say papa ni wo wu ye no strange papa ni wo wu ye no bibi shaase maka me say Ghana yeti it is only when Mahama ana NDC ni bi wu a ehu ni say da bibi shaase ya wa ha Akufo Aliu Mahama yes no more out of power nanso and ma samba but udie Mahama wo out of power yi sena Mahama wo out of power na ne vice emisata wuye still nkrofo ye ya no person de Mahama the same thing happened to Kufo no out of office na Aliu Mahama wuye but hu nipa ba kompo accuse Kufo ita akwa say oman Ghana mama wati ase say oman ayetimu yi there is some group of people bia for mono eni kwan se wo bia wo mo nchen bia ebewu se wo nim no obi wo nchen no ko wu a ye ba accuse
on YouTube
ye ba accuse say hey ebi mu nso de wo mo nkrofo bi wu a ye be hu ne se wo mo de normal omo de normal sa na Ghana yete and it's sad ya yete o mai we mu ye kan ye se papa yare wo yare papa ye ya se papa ye wu oba bonti so wu ye ene Moi ende mo pesa mo trese ase na papa no won yare ase na yare bi anda ne so se mi owu ye no na papa no ase de na ne ho aden bi politics but it is okay if ende NPP MPC 4 trese yenko yen hwehwemu 10 years ago se ni Atta Mills wu ya then they are opening the door because ende I expect se NDC MPC nso be ba bonti aba be ka se ende sa dia Aliu Mahama wu ye no yenye hwehwemu mfa ho Adams Mahama wu ye yenye hwehwemu mfa ho JJ Rollins wu ye yenye hwehwemu mfa ho Jacob Chebilamten so yenye hwehwemu mfa ho ana se NDC for so ba be yes MPP for then na mobeka so for me I am also expecting say NDC for so be ba bonti aba be ka so and the san ye ko ne dia ye ni na ye nkrofo ewu ene hwehwemu ne de ye be ya in parliament no e be ye busy sana sebe nyansa samuel was say kwaso wo parliament say ade was say kwaso wo parliament ye dwen na afi de ye de be hwehwe ewuo mu a 10 years ago 12 years ago sisi esa na ye ba be ye no I also expect that from the NDC MPs very soon. I expect them to also file a motion into the deaths of JJ Rollins, into the deaths of JJ Rollins, Jacob Chebilante, Aliu Mahama, and Adams Mahama. Aliu Mahama, and Adams Mahama. I also expect this to happen very soon. Yes, this is what is going on in our parliament. This, the air course were your parliament, this pettiness, and the air course were your parliament. It's quite funny how Sisiano, Sabi, ye politics, no, ye di chi gata, any other politics, petty politics. Petty. Okay, media maka, because this is not the first time. Muka, na Atta Mills, Ninia, Ababonti Ababeka say, Mnipakuno Eminia, de Kununi, no yare, Muka, no aba Oyeminia, de Kununi, no yare. Now, so still, Mupesa Moya, the tissue will be called, hey, okay, you need to my way.